Okay, let's talk about lawn mowing. It seems like it should be a simple chore, right? But somehow it turns into this huge, complicated task. But what if I told you that you could get it all done, finding a pro, getting a price, booking the service in just 60 seconds? Well, today, we're going to show you exactly how that's possible. Does this sound familiar to you? The weather is finally perfect, the grass is getting a little too long, and you spend your afternoon not enjoying it, but hunting for someone, anyone, who's actually reliable enough to take care of your lawn? It is such a common headache. You've really got two choices here. There's the old way, a total mess of endless phone calls, leaving voicemails, posting on Facebook, hoping a friend knows a guy. And then there's the GreenPal way, a totally streamlined, modern approach where you just click, compare, and book it all in seconds. It's a complete game changer. So let's dig into that old way for a second, what we're calling the lawn care headache. Because honestly, that's exactly what it is. It's a whole process, isn't it? First, you're chasing down a bunch of different companies. Then you're playing endless phone tag. You're getting these random offers from strangers on social media. And on top of all that, you have to figure out who's actually trustworthy and what the real price is going to be. It's totally exhausting before a single blade of grass even gets cut. But what if you could just skip all of that? I mean, the entire frustrating process. Well, that's where a totally new model comes in. Let's take a look at the platform that's making it happen, GreenPal. So what is GreenPal exactly? Well, think of it like this. It's an online platform that's built to connect you directly with top-rated local lawn pros in your area. It basically does all the hard work of finding the best companies for you, so you don't have to. And the best part? You get free, competitive quotes sent right to you. And this is where it gets really good. The whole process is designed to be ridiculously fast and easy. We're talking about just a few quick steps that literally take seconds. It's just 4 simple steps. 1, pop in your address and what you need done. 2, you'll get instant, free quotes from local pros sent right over. 3, you get to compare those prices and, this is huge, read real reviews from your neighbors. And finally, step 4, you pick the pro that works for you and your budget and schedule them right then and there. Done. So with this new way of doing things, how many phone calls do you actually have to make? The answer is 0. Zilch. Not a single one. You can officially say goodbye to phone tag and waiting for someone to call you back. It's all handled online. Okay, so this all points to some pretty major advantages over the old, painful way of hiring lawn care. Let's break down what really makes this approach stand out from the crowd. There are really 5 key things here. First up, nationwide coverage, so it's almost definitely in your area. Second, real user reviews. You see what other people actually thought. Third, the quotes are always free and they're competitive. Fourth, the pros are vetted by the GreenPal community. And fifth, the pricing is totally transparent. No surprises. And when we say nationwide, we really mean it. It doesn't matter if you're out on the West Coast in Sacramento or way over in Boston. From the coffee shops of Seattle to the beaches of Miami, this network connects you with local pros no matter where you are in the US. But hey, don't just take my word for it. Check out this quote from an actual homeowner that just nails it. GreenPal is hands down the easiest way to book a local lawn care company at an affordable price. I mean, that really says it all, right? It's easy and it's affordable. So, if you're ready to ditch that headache for good and finally get your weekend back, here's how you can get started right now. Honestly, you should think of it like this. It's basically a remote control for your lawn. You can manage everything with just a few clicks, right from your phone or your computer. It really puts you back in charge. And let's not forget that core promise. From the moment you land on the site to the second you're booked, we are talking about just 60 seconds. That's how fast you can have your lawn care completely sorted out. So, the only thing left to do is see for yourself. You can get free, no-obligation quotes from local, reviewed pros by visiting yourgreenpal.com. With platforms like this changing the entire game, the only real question left is, why would you ever stick with the old way?